decimals today. Okay. But we're going to start with the which was on your pretest yesterday, which a lot of you got half right, which is understandable because it's just a pretest. So we're going to talk about it. So really, this is from a different scale. So we have the dividing decimal scale, and then we have the power of 10 scale. That's really the one we're working on today. And we're going to be doing quizzes, which is a new game. But it's a game, math game. And then a Google Slides assignment, all right? So a couple things, we're just going to like 5-minute review, and then you're going to get into Canvas and start, okay? 553 times 100. What do I do to solve this? What do I get? We're multiplying by zeros. What am I supposed to do, Caesar?
2 zeros on hold.
We're going to put them on hold, and then I'm going to do what?
50.
And then?
Put down zeros.
Put down my zeros. So I'm adding my 2 zeros at the end, right? But also, in the whole number 53, where's my decimal point? At the end. How many zeros are there?
2.
So I'm moving my decimal how many places?
2.
2. To the right or to the left?
Left.
See, this is our issue. You guys can't remember where the decimal goes. So this is how I look at it. Okay, that's part of the alphabet, right? Which is closer to the left, the D or the M? D. What does D stand for? Divide or multiply? Yeah. And it's on what side of the alphabet? M stands for what? And it's on what side of the alphabet?
Right.
Now, the alphabet doesn't really have a side, but when you write it in a line, that's how, this is just a helpful way to remember it. Okay? So, we divide, the decimal gets moved to the left because it's closer to the left side of the alphabet, and we multiply, the decimal moves to the right because it's to the right side of the alphabet. Or you can look at it as, here's the I. I move my decimal to the left when I divide. I move my decimal to the right when I multiply. Okay, so I put this little reminder thing in Canvas. If you ever forget, it's in the page in Canvas for you to go to. All right, so when I'm multiplying, my decimal gets moved. Point. Which way? Right or left? Do you guys know your right and left?
Yes. Right.
Right. How many places?
2.
Didn't I get the same answer?
Okay.
Yeah, that's because that's really what you're doing is you're moving the decimal to the right. So if I actually had a decimal with an exponent, how many places am I moving my decimal?
3.
Jack, how many places? 3. And then point to which direction? Am I going to the right or to the left? Think. I'm multiplying. Is that on the right side or the left side of the alphabet?
Right.
The right. So I'm moving it 1, 2, 3 places to the right. I only fill in with 2 zeros. So this is my answer. Well, today we are dividing decimals by powers of 10. If I had 35, divided by 100. Where's my decimal in 35? And at the end, how many places am I moving it?
2.
And which way do I move it if I'm dividing?
Left.
Left. 1, 2. So 35 divided by 100 is 35 hundredths. Okay? That's what you're doing for one part today. And then let's do another one. Okay, how many places am I moving my decimal? 1. Which way? To the
Right.
what are we doing? Oh, wait, sorry, this was my bad. You guys are right. This was supposed to be this. Sorry. Now we're to the left. See? Yeah, you guys are good. All right. Now this is my answer. So that's your assignment today. So I'll show you in Canvas what it looks like, and then you're going to go and do it. So, and then your can-dos are coding. You haven't done it in a while. And then con math. All right. So, well, actually, why don't you go to Canvas with me? Open your Chromebooks and go to your math folder. And then it's topic 6. So topic 6, you should see multiplying decimal powers of 10 review. Click it. Bless you. All right, don't just look at the screen now. You are going to click this link, and you're going to type in this code. All right, so don't do it. I'm just going to show you. So pack me in your Chromebooks real quick. All right, so when you go to this link called quizzes, you type in this 6-digit code, 613285. You type your name in. It gives you this like weird little animal picture as your kind of person. And then there are some multiplying by decimal power of 10 problems. You're going to need a piece of paper to do the work off to the side and do it. It's not necessarily, you're not racing each other, but it will time you to see who goes the fastest. Okay? And it's not like you all do it at the same time. This is just whenever you do it. So those, you have 2 must-dos, and you can start with whichever you want. I don't really care. So that's quizzes. And then the other one is divide by powers of 10, which is in slides, which is what you've done before. Oh, I did not write it yet. Read for myself. But click open the link, because when it's in Canvas, it's super, super small. So pop it open in another tab so you can actually see it. Okay? So all you're going to be doing is filling in the green boxes with your answers, and then you're going to be dragging things to different buckets, which you'll see in the slides. Okay? So one's multiplying and one's dividing. Dividing is the new one. And also, look back in your Canvas folder. There's one that says, which way do I move the decimal? So should you be asking me, or should you be looking at here first? Yeah. That's literally the question that most of you are going to ask me, and I already answered it for you. So then you click that, and it's a description of what I already said. You can do it at the front table with me if you want, but when I say the word, which is skating this week, move your name to one of the must-dos. I don't care which one you start with. Both need to get done. All right? And then this is the last time we're doing this scale. The division is the last part of it. And that's what this assignment on slides is for. Okay? So you're going to need a piece of paper to do the work. Because if it's wrong, then I can see your work until you go to the front. Or Mrs. Bonanna's in the back. You can ask. All right? So, skating. What's your name? Pick one and start. I don't care which one you start with. What's up? Make sure you type the code in correctly. What are you trying to do? You did hit it? I wonder if it's because your mouse is when this is the circle, you need to make sure you're using the mouse and not with the So this is the multiplication. So go get a paper. Did you move your name to multiplication already? Perfect. Click the link, type the code in, and get a piece of paper. You can just put in your first name unless you're a repeat. So like Eric's, David's. There's a lot of you. Put your last name in there.
I forgot to do my last name.
I'll remember that you did it for the other name. Yeah, they're like a combination of animals. All right, let's start. Volume off and let's do your headphones in, please. Okay, if we can't see this. Like this, and then click the cursor to go back to it. And now you can click. So the directions are down here. Let's see. Guys, in the slides, the directions are in the bottom.
Number 61, 32, 8.
So write it down.
You can go back to that with the 57 so different.
So how did I get my decimal? So the next one you can click the zoom button if you click it. Zoom in and then back to the cursor. Same if you click the zoom. Yep. And hips. You can put that. Yep. There you go. Now you can actually see it. So which place are you moving it? Which way? Oh, wait, to the right. So where do you see the decimal at the end of the 7? The end of the 7. Hurry. Is it at the end of the 7 here? Here? Is it after the 7? Here? What does it after the 7? In a whole number, where is the decimal located? Okay, which one has the decimal after 7? Where's the decimal in this one? There it is. There it is. Where is it in this one? It's where are the differences? Depends on the slides, the directions are right at the bottom, where they usually are. So. What's up? Yeah, but you don't run out of time. Here. How many places am I moving my decimal? How many times do I move my decimal? 2 zeros, right? If I move it 2 times and I multiply, so which way do I move it? And now look for your answer. 92 and 4 tenths. What do you see on it? 92 and 4. There you go. So you need to write the problem down and actually move the decimal. We're multiplying, so we're always moving to the right. Okay, so just go back and do your. What did you say? I will be. All right, guys, I'm going to be looking at how you did on the quizzes and then reassess with you at the front. So, yes, it's a game, but you still need to know it. All right, Adriana, come up here. All right. So, what's my first thing I need to do? Okay, so go ahead. Well, so, have you done it once? Then move your name to. Guys, make sure you're moving your name to what you should be doing. If you're done with quizzes, move your name to the slides. All right. So how many zeros are there? 2. And then you're what? Multiplying or dividing? So what does that tell us? If we're multiplying, we have 2 zeros. What is that telling us? Move it 2 times. So we're multiplying. So we want bigger numbers when we multiply, right? If we move it to the left, is that a small number or is that a big number? Small. So if we move it to the right, how many times? Isn't 924 a bigger number? When we're multiplying, we get bigger numbers. So in order to do that, we have to move it to the right. So if you realize that if you move the left on accident, you're like, oh, that's kind of small. And maybe you should realize that we moved it to the wrong way. You gotta realize the way to answer it. So we're multiplying by 100, our answer has to be bigger. $9.24 or 924 dollars. Yeah, so we're getting a bigger answer. All right. Josh up here. Okay. All right. All right. So if I gave you this problem, first you need to realize that, look at what kind of problem it is. So we know our decimal moving what else? To the right. How many times? Move it to the right 1.